My name's Donovan Carter. I'm a principal platform engineer at Bluecore, focusing on providing a stable platform for developers to get their stuff done. Bluecore is in the retail marketing space. We're a service provider for marketers, helping them reach out to customers through SMS, email, digital means in general. Because we're a service provider and because we need that level of fidelity down to the specific customer level, having just one metric isn't going to quite cut it. Using just standard metrics isn't going to cut it. That's more of a 50,000 foot view, whereas we need kind of the 5,000 foot view or 1,000 foot view closer to the ground, understanding what's happening for each specific customer. And Chronosphere provides us the ability to not only instrument that, but then also observe that, as well as alert on this customer's having an issue with this part of the platform, or this part of the platform is behaving poorly in as near real time as we can, which is super important. It also provides us an interface for like tracing and stuff to debug those issues once they come up.
With our former provider, I think the trickiest part was seeing these costs kind of compound over years and escalate somewhat unexpectedly, I would say. Cost wasn't our only reason for switching over, but I would say looking at a decrease of our just average contract value of more than half, and the ability to also build out additional features. Thankfully for us, it was one of the less stressful points of the cloud migration is turning on the observability.
The auditability of our pipeline is now fully transparent. We can see what is coming into the agent from a metrics or traces perspective at the agent level. Through the Chronosphere control plane, we can see what's being sent to Chronosphere, what makes it out of the agent to Chronosphere using the different, the live telemetry analyzer. We can see where in the Chronosphere ingestion phase it's at, whether it's being dropped or rejected for various reasons. We weren't able to get that level of fidelity really at all with our previous vendor. And so now, get the classic question, hey, we started emitting a new metric. Why is it not, showing up? It takes us minutes to answer those questions, where before it would take us probably days to go through and try and figure out what was going on. Honestly, it's been such a game changer for us. Like, I know it's tech and it's work and stuff like that. It's not like changing the world, but in a lot of ways it kind of is. It changes our day-to-day. For my team, for our developers, it's made life a lot easier and allowed us to think about other problems and put that brain energy that we were spending on observability costs, finding missing metrics, and move on to other more agentic cool things. It's the stuff that we didn't want to spend time doing. We can now take and spend on stuff that brings more value to our customers, brings more value to us, kind of helps the cobbler's kids get shoes, if that makes any sense. And that's been really cool. So we appreciate Chronosphere and the folks that work on it. It's been a really great tool for us.